Have you ever worked on something for hours, only to never finish it because it wasn't good enough? Or kept putting off a dream project because you didn't feel ready yet? You're not alone. Perfectionism is the silent killer of momentum. And today, I want to share a mindset shift that changed everything for me. It's called the 80% rule. And once you get it, you'll stop waiting for perfect and start making real progress. Let's be honest, perfection sounds noble. We say things like, I just want to get it right, or it's not ready yet. But often, what we really mean is, I'm afraid it won't be good enough. Here's the hard truth. Perfection is just procrastination in disguise. It's a clever way your brain keeps you safe from criticism, failure, or even success. Think about it. How many ideas have you had that never saw the light of day? How many times have you rewritten the same email, video, or project, only to delete it in the end? You're not lazy. You're just stuck in the loop of not enough. And that's where the 80% rule comes in. The 80% rule is simple. Aim for 80% done, not 100% perfect. Why? Because 80% is good enough to move forward. It's clear, complete, and actionable, without the hours of obsessing over the last 20% that barely moves the needle. The truth is, that final 20%, it's usually invisible to everyone but you. No one's noticing the perfect lighting or the 3 extra hours you spent on word choice. They're seeing your consistency, your growth, your courage to show up again and again. When you aim for 80%, 3 things happen. 1, you actually finish. Progress beats perfection every time. A completed 80% project can change your life. An unfinished 100% idea can't. 2, you stay consistent. Perfection burns you out. 80% keeps you showing up. Think of it like this. It's better to do 80% effort every day than 110% effort once a month. 3, you learn faster. The more you put things out there, the more feedback you get, and the better you become. The most successful creators, entrepreneurs, and thinkers, they don't wait for perfect. They release, refine, repeat. So, how do you apply the 80% rule in real life? Making a decision? If it's 80% clear and aligned, move forward. Don't overthink the last 20%. Creating something? Draft it. Polish it once. Then hit publish. Don't fall into the one more tweak trap. Trying to build a habit. Don't aim for 10 out of 10 days. Aim for 8 out of 10 and call it a win. Progress over perfection. Here's a powerful line to remember. Done and improved is better than perfect and stuck. The 80% rule isn't about lowering your standards. It's about freeing yourself from fear and finally making progress. So, today, whatever you're stuck on, that video, that email, that life change, give it your best 80% and let it go. Because when you release the need to be perfect, you finally give yourself permission to grow. Comment below. What's one thing you're going to finish at 80% this week? Let's build momentum together. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone stuck in perfection mode. They need this rule too.